In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under business environment and social responsibility. So we're going to focus on the subtopic types and meaning of business environment and social responsibility. We have about 16 to 18 the question and practice with. Let's get started. The first question here says, if a business uses part of its profit to develop the area where it operates, the business is fulfilling its social responsibilities. Option B. Okay, that's the right answer. This question is, it says social responsibility is the ability of an organization to meet the needs of its community, tackle the social and economic problems of its community, contribute to sustaining and developing its community, operates without disrupting the very essence of the environment. The right answer is option C. So social responsibility is the ability of an organization to contribute to sustaining and developing its community. Next question is one. Says government policies relating to the establishment and operations of businesses are targeted at even spread of facilities and employment, the general improvement of the economy, diversification and expansion of business, increasing the profits of business owners. The right answer is option B, the general improvement of the economy. Next question is, it says a business environment that takes into consideration the belief, attitudes, needs, values, and attitudes of the people is the cultural environment. Okay, very important. This question is this one. It says a business environment that takes into consideration. So this CBT question is the cultural environment, option D. Next one is this one. It says the right of the public to protection against questionable products and marketing practices is while a legal aspect of the business, a political aspect of the business, a social responsibility of business is option C, guys. Okay, social responsibility of business. This question is this one. It says any action taken by a company outside its stated objective is regarded as. The right answer is option B. Take note of this question, guys. Ultra bias. Okay. This question is this one. It says social responsibility of business requires enterprises to set up social welfare centers in their areas of operation, address themselves to issues relating to the society, draw their workers only from the immediate environment, hold annual social parties for the public. So the right answer is that social responsibility of business requires enterprises to address themselves to issues relating to the society. Okay, so that's it. Next question is one. It says the business organization must always consider the overall effects of its actions on the society. Option B. This question is one. It says safeguarding the health of the nation is the slogan used by NAFDAC. Option A. Okay. Next question is one. It says business environment refers to all elements that are internal to an organization and relevant to its operation, outside an organization but relevant to its operation, inside an organization but irrelevant to its operation, external to an organization but indirectly related to its operations. The right answer is option B. Okay, outside an organization but relevant to its operations. Okay, next question is this one. It says when a business enterprise provides free service to its environment, the service is said to be a social responsibility. Option A. Next question is one. It says which of the following is a form of social responsibility of business: selling goods at cheaper prices, maintaining tidy and safe environment, using the best technology available, meeting contractors' obligation. The right answer is option B, maintaining tidy and safe environment. Next question is one. It says when an oil exploring and mining company builds a health center in one of the communities where it operates, such a company is fulfilling part of its social responsibility. It's very, very obvious, guys. Option C. Next question is one. It says awarding scholarship and sponsoring sports by a business organization are examples of social responsibility. Option D. Last question for end this video is one. It says a business organization is said to be social responsible when it gets involved in issues relating to the society, invite the public to its annual general meetings, offers discounts to customers, reward its staff for long-term service. So the right answer is option A, gets involved in issues relating to the society. So guys, this basically how to deal with problems involving types and meaning of business environment and social responsibility for your JAMB commerce. So we practice with 16 to 80 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions as regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure a part of digital membership by clicking on the JAMB button and getting premium information that help you to excel in your next exam like JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. So having known this, click on the screen above. Now you see in the next video. Thanks for watching.